Dumpster rental service in Bellflower, California. Starting a home renovation project? Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or bathroom, one thing is clear: you will have a lot of debris to deal with. However, a simple solution to keeping things organized and safe is our dumpster rental service in Bellflower, California. At Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated, we make waste removal easy with our affordable, reliable dumpster rentals specially designed for home renovation projects. Handling heavy and bulky materials like tiles, drywall, and old fixtures requires a proper waste disposal plan. Without a dumpster, debris can pile up in your yard, creating safety hazards and slowing your renovation progress. At Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit your project's needs. No matter how much debris your kitchen or bathroom remodel generates, we have a dumpster that will suit your needs. Our reliable dumpster rentals make cleanup effortless. Just fill it up, and we'll take care of the rest. No need to worry about making multiple trips to the landfill. With Dumpster Rentals by Truck and Go Delivery Incorporated, you can focus on what matters, making your dream kitchen or bathroom a reality. Call us today at 888-412-4790 to rent a home renovation dumpster. We're here to make your project easier, cleaner, and more efficient.